Assalamu alaikum. Welcome.
Welcome to another lesson. In today's lesson, we're gonna learn a very important rule related to الت المربوطة. الت المربوطة is a special letter because it can be sometimes pronounced as a he and sometimes it can be pronounced as a t. That's why it's written as a combination of both. So it looks like a he and it has two dots above it. الت المربوطة comes only at the end of words. If it comes at the end of a word, and we're gonna read this word only, we're not gonna be following it by another word, we're gonna read it as a he. For example, محفظة, wallet, محفظة. You notice? This is the sound of a he. So this is the first case. If we're not gonna follow it by another word, we're gonna read it as a he. But if we follow it by a word sometimes, we're gonna read it as te. When there's like an of between the two words, when we translate in English, of course. For example, محفظة ahmad. So it's like the wallet of Ahmad. We don't put this of in Arabic, but when we translate it, you see this of. So it's like something is related to something else. So what did we do here? محفظة, notice how we pronounced it. محفظة. And then محفظة Ahmad. We did two things when we attached Ahmad after محفظة. We of course converted the sound of a he into a te, obviously. That's the first thing that we did. And the second thing is that we put a kasra under the previous letter. محفظة, notice محفظة. There's a fatha above the za, the previous letter, the letter that comes before the te. But when we said محفظة Ahmad, we put a kasra under the za, the previous letter. محفظة, za, محفظة, zit. So this is it. This is the rule, basically. Let's take a lot of examples and we're going to be also learning a lot of vocabulary. So, إزازة, bottle. إزازة مية, a bottle of water. شاشة, which is what's in front of me now, display. شاشة, شاشة الكمبيوتر. شاشة الكمبيوتر, the computer display or the display of the computer. شنطة, bag. شنطة, شنطة سفر, a traveling bag. شنطة سفر. مخدة, مخدة, مخدة الكرسي, the pillow of the chair. مخدة, مخدة الكرسي. برنيطة, a hat. برنيطة, برنيطة الولد, the hat of the boy. برنيطة الولد. شجرة, tree. شجرة, شجرة برتقال, an orange tree or a tree of oranges. شجرة برتقال. مدرسة, school. مدرسة, مدرسة المستقبل. المستقبل here is just the name of the school. So it's like المستقبل school or the future school. المستقبل means the future. المستقبل is just the name, okay? It's not the school of the future. It's just called the future. But we will still say مدرسة المستقبل. كنيسة, church. كنيسة مرجرجس, church of Saint George. كنيسة مرجرجس. مكتبة, library. مكتبة, مكتبة مصر العامة, the public library of Egypt. مكتبة مصر العامة. جاكيتة, جاكيتة, جاكيتة أختي, my sister's jacket. جاكيتة, جاكيتة أختي. مروحة, fan. مروحة, مروحة السقف, the ceiling fan or the fan of the ceiling. مروحة السقف. سقف means ceiling. سقف. سماعة, headphones. سماعة. سماعة is basically anything that makes you hear. So it can be a speaker, it can be headphones. So to specify, we say سماعة ودن, earphones. سماعة ودن. سلسلة, chain. سلسلة. سلسلة مفاتيح. سلسلة مفاتيح. A keychain or a chain of keys. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Try to make your own examples and type them in the comments below. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And if you are interested in taking online classes, check the description box below.
سلام.